Hey, I'm Shadow, and I have made a Haiku biddable, so I'm going to see if I can test out Haiku. All of the Linux distros work fine, but this is not a Linux distro that I'm trying right now. Okay, so it appears to have shown up pretty easily, and look at that. It started right up into Haiku. That was much easier than I thought, so I guess this works as easily as a Linux distro. Now, this is actually based on BOS, and BOS isn't even Unix based, it's just its own thing. However, it does use Wine, so I'm assuming it will work pretty much the same as a Linux distro. What do you mean mode not supported? Okay. Oh my gosh, it worked. So this is Haiku right now, and I'm not sure how to get. Oh, here's a user guide that could help. Okay, it looks like this is the Internet Explorer, and that's how you get a new tab. Well, one problem, I don't think the internet is connected right now, and I don't know how to connect the internet on here. Let me see if I can figure that out. So it looks like I just click here, open net preferences, and that might be the way to connect the internet site. So it looks like, unfortunately, I might need Ethernet for this. I guess Haiku doesn't support Wi-Fi. I'll look this up. So it seems that I would need to connect it to the Ethernet to even install the Wi-Fi compatibility. But let's see what I can do. I'm gonna try running a disk, see if that works. It doesn't seem to be working. Here we go. Popper auto run exe. So it looks like it cannot natively run exes. So yeah, I would need Wine for that, and to get Wine, I would need an internet connection, and I do not have Ethernet in here, and with that Ethernet, I can't even get the Wi-Fi compatibility. There is a way to get Haiku Wi-Fi compatible. I should be able to at least run a DVD. Let's see. Hopefully there's some video software in here. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem to be working. I hear something trying to work, but it's not working. Also, I can't get my secondary screen to work, which is why I got that error message on the TV when I tried to bit onto the TV. Yeah, okay, that disk is not working. I'm not even sure what software it would use if it can run a DVD right out of the box. This DVD is strangely very dirty, which is probably why it wasn't working. Well, at least it's not making weird noises, but showing up either. I might go get a CD, and that doesn't seem to be working. Well, let's see if there's any software of interest. Well, it's showing up, but it's not playing. Oh. Yeah, I don't know why that is not working. Okay, that's working. But not completely. Yeah, it's lagging for some unknown reason. Memory usage. Okay, that's not showing me what's going on. I guess it's just because it's not fully installed, like it's not installed onto the SSD. But yeah, there is some software for listening to music. That's good. Let's see what else we have. I'm gonna try that DVD again. Okay, that's still not working. But let's see what else we have. Oh, the camera is getting really hot. Haiku system. There's terminal TV. Okay, so I guess that's what I would use to run the DVD, but that software is not working right now, strangely enough. Styled edit. Power size. Damn, a lot of these aren't working. Pretty much nothing, none of these are working. So yeah, unless I can, unless I get this connected to the Ethernet, I will not be able to fully see what this operating system can do. Maybe I'll do that later, but it's really stupid that it can't just natively use Wi-Fi. I mean, granted, it is based on operating system from the 90s, but it's not a 90s operating system. It's pretty modern. It's still being updated. It's really stupid that they didn't work it into the operating system to get Wi-Fi running natively.